Welcome to my YouTube channel, Flawless by LauraIom. Really great to see you guys again for Thursday tutorial. So today I'm going to show you guys how I remove my makeup. This is my current makeup removal system. We all know that it's Christmas party season. We might be having those late nights. It's really important, ladies, that we, and gents, because there'll be gents out there that like to wear makeup too. So it's really important that we remove our makeup properly. Good things come to those who remove their makeup. Just saying. Right, so step one is I like to use Garnier's Skincare Micellar water. It's really, really gentle and cleansing on the skin, and it's great for any skin types. Doesn't matter who you are. And this is approved and recognised by the British Skin Foundation and Allergy UK. Micellar cleansing water is great for removing makeup anywhere on the face. So that's your eyes, eyelashes, lips, and the whole face. So a whole makeup removal system can be done with this. Secondly, I like to use Peaches and Clean by Soap & Glory 4-in-1 wash off. It's absolutely amazing. I do like, personally for my face, a deep cleansing milk to remove my makeup. And this really leaves a clean feeling on the face due to the oxygensing ingredient. Absolutely gorgeous stuff. Seriously, this dog can't get enough of the limelight, clearly. So yes, so I'll show you how I remove my makeup. Step one, I like to use the Micellar cleansing water and a double-sided round cotton pad. So basically, I place a generous amount of the micellar water onto the round cotton pad, and I can remove my makeup from one eye, including my eyebrow. Because the micellar water is so gentle and it can go around the eye area, it's really great at removing mascara, whether it's normal or waterproof. So I like to use the round cotton pad to push up the eyelashes as well. I try to be as environmentally friendly as possible. I think I still have a long way to go personally. Simply, after I've done one eye, instead of getting another cotton, I turn the cotton over and use the other side on the other eye. One of the great things about micellar water, as I said at the start, is that it can remove makeup from all over the face, any kind of makeup. So it's really great at removing lipstick, and I've got quite a lot on. Yay! Okay, now for step two. Step two, I like to take 2 pumps of Peaches and Clean onto an oval cotton pad. Okay? Again, these are really great because they're double-sided. For daytime makeup, I use 2 pumps of Peaches and Clean. For nighttime makeup and contouring, I use 3 to 4 pumps. So take your cotton pad, two or 3 pumps I'm going to use this evening. I tend to put the pumps into the middle, into the middle of the oval cotton pad. Got a little bit on my thumb there. So simply dot the cleansing milk all over the face. Once it's dotted in, you can rub it in. Great. So the next step involves bathroom. So basically, third step is to take a face towel or a muslin cloth and wash your face and rinse all of it off with hot water. Following that, step 4 would be to use your usual cleanse, tone, moisturize routine. Excellent. Hi guys. So makeup is all removed. My skin feels amazing. I can't get enough of that oxygencin ingredient. I feel so clean and ready to chill. If you try it out, please let me know how it goes for you. Thank you very much for joining me today on my Thursday tutorial on how to remove makeup using my current makeup removal system. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram, all Flawless by Laura IOM. Till next time, guys. Bye.